Simple present.
Hey Todd, tell me about your family.
Well, my family is very nice. There are 5 people in my family. My mom, my dad, my 2 sisters, and myself.
Nice. Are you the oldest?
I am the youngest child, but I am an adult now. I am 45 years old.
So tell me about your sisters.
My sisters are both married. They are both mothers, too. My oldest sister is Carrie. She is a manager for a company.
And what about your other sister?
Michelle is my other sister. She is the middle child in the family. She is an office worker. They are both nice, but they are both busy with their families.
And what about your mum?
My mom is the leader of the family. She is retired now. She is a great cook. I love her home cooking. Her meals are very delicious.
How about your dad?
Oh, my dad. My dad is a nice guy. He is always happy, and he is a really good athlete. He is also a good cook, like my mom.
Your family sounds very nice.
Yeah, I love them a lot.
Simple present.
So, Todd, tell me about yourself. What do you do?
Well, I am a teacher. I live in Japan, and I work at a university. I teach English.
Nice. When do you start your day?
I get up very early, around 6, and I get to work at 7. I have my first class at 8:30. I don't get home until night, usually.
And what do you do for fun?
In my free time, I go hiking. I like nature, so I go to the mountains. I don't have much free time, though, so I don't go hiking often.
Where do you live?
I live in a small house. I live alone. I do not have many things in my house. I rarely spend time at my house.
Why not?
Well, at night I go to the gym or I play sports. But I clean my house on Sunday, so I'm home then.
Do you cook?
No, I don't cook much, so I buy my dinner every night.
And how do you get around?
I have an old car. I drive it a lot. I drive it to the mountains or to the lake. I like my car, but I drive slow.
Really?
Yeah, so people get mad at me on the road.
Oh no.
I don't care though. I want to take my time when I drive.
That's safe. So, Todd, you live in Japan. Who visits you sometimes?
Well, I have a family in America, and I see them once a year, but I go to America. They don't come here.
When do you visit them?
I visit them every summer when the weather is nice. I don't go home in winter, though. It is too cold.
Nice.
Imperatives.
It is easy to stay healthy. Please listen to this message and follow my ideas for being healthy. Number 1, diet. Eat a healthy diet. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Don't eat fast food or lots of sugar. Stay away from fried foods too. Drink lots of water. Don't drink too much caffeine or sugary drinks like soda. Number 2, sleep. Get plenty of rest. Sleep at least 6 hours a night. Do not go to sleep too late. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Don't eat in bed. Also, don't check your phone from bed. Number 3, stress. Do not stress too much. Each day, find time to relax. Take a walk. Sit and watch the sunset. Talk with friends and family. Don't spend too much time on social media. Number 4, exercise. Get some exercise at least 3 times a week. Go for a run, join a gym, or play on a sports team. Walk to work if you can. Buy a bicycle and take long bike rides. Go hiking on weekends. Just don't sit on the couch and watch TV. Number 5, health. See a doctor once a year. Listen to your doctor. Follow her advice. Don't wait to see a doctor if you feel sick. Do these things and you can be happy and healthy too.
Articles and determiners.
Conversation 1.
Do you have a pen I can use?
No, but I have a pencil.
Thanks. Do you have an eraser?
The pencil has an eraser.
Great. And some paper?
My gosh, you don't have anything.
Conversation 2.
Would you like a sandwich?
I would love a sandwich.
And some chips?
Some chips sounds lovely.
And a drink?
I'm okay. I have a water.
Conversation 3.
How do you like your new house?
It's nice. It has a kitchen, a big bedroom, and a nice bathroom.
Do you have a yard?
No, but I have a patio.
Nice. Do you have a good view?
No, there is a building next door.
Conversation 4.
Do you like the book?
Yes, I loved the ending.
Really? I thought the ending was not that good.
No way! The surprise at the end was great.
Did you like the characters?
Yes, I liked everything about it.
Adverbs of frequency.
Conversation 1.
What do you do on the weekend?
I usually stay home, but sometimes I go out.
Oh, where do you go?
Sometimes I go to the beach. Sometimes I go to the park.
I often go there too. Do you ever go to the lake?
No, very rarely. It is too far from my house.
Conversation 2.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I try to eat healthy, so I usually cook vegetables.
Really? What kind of stuff do you make?
Sometimes I make soups. Sometimes I make stir-fry.
Stir-fry? That's not very healthy.
I know, but I don't eat it that often.
Conversation 3.
Do you take the bus to work?
No, I never take the bus. I always drive.
Yeah, it's so much easier to drive.
Do you drive to work?
Actually, I rarely drive. I usually walk to work. I live near the office.
Lucky you.
Conversation 4.
Do you ever go to the movies?
I rarely do. It is too expensive. Do you?
No, not often. I usually rent DVDs.
Really? I never do that. I usually stream movies.
Nice. Do you have fast internet?
Yeah, usually it is fast, but sometimes it's slow.